So someone chatted me and said, Sister Blessing, my sister is doing a traditional wedding at the end of this August. So I need a style for her. In our village, there's no makeup artist there. It is a very small village. And we cannot book a makeup artist or a Gele artist from Lagos here to our village. I want you to show me a style, like I and my sister, a style that my sister can use for just her traditional wedding. Then we are still doing the May wedding in Lagos. We just going to the village to pay her bride price, and I want my sister to look good. I got you. I got you, don't worry. But I got you. I know you will see this video. I've told you yesterday that I'm going to make a video that I'm going to post it today for you. So I got you. Just 3 strands of our show, okay, like this. 3 strands. This is what they call 3 strands. One, like the one they join together. This is 1 layer, 2 layers, and this is the 3rd layer. So you are just going to fold it in just a little bit like this, because we are taking it to the back. I got you, don't worry. I'm going to teach you this one as if I'm teaching a primary school student, so that you and your sis can understand. You can save this video so that you can just watch and follow the video. So you are going to take it to the back and bring it to the front like this. And you are going to bring it to the front, then you will cross it. So I hope you are following. I'm not going to let this video to be fast so that you can understand. So you are going to twist this. I don't want to make it complicated, so that you can understand very well. I hope you guys are seeing me. If you have a party self, you can. It's not about wedding. If someone also need a style, so you are going to leave this hand, then I'm going to make it very simple, so that you and your sister can just tie it. So you are going to bring this one to the front. I hope you know how to use a pin. So we are going to use pin to tie it up. Can you see? Pull it like this. So something. You are going to make sure you arrange all this place. You arrange it very well. You don't want a head wrap that is not neat for your sister now. So we are going to pull it again and use pin to hold it. Yes. So we are going to bring this one out. Then I'm going to teach you how you are going to pick this. Put your hand like this. Your hand. So you are going to start picking it. And there's a tutorial on how to pick pleats on my page. So I'm going to stretch this. We are going to pick till you have something like this. So we are going to start arranging it bit by bit with the pleat. Just keep arranging it. Arrange it very well. Try to avoid pin on this head wrap. So if you don't know how you can use pin to tag this together, you can pick this and pull it under this. Just make sure you be very careful while putting it under it, so that you will not scatter the one that you have used pin to arrange already. So you are going to pick this one also. Pick it. Pick. You are going to make sure you arrange it very well. You know, you are trying to pick a very fine pleat for beginners. So just going to use your hand to arrange that pleat. So now you have something like this. So this one now, you are going to need a pin for this other side. So I'm going to show you how you can use pin. You are going to hold it like this. This is a very, you can buy the longer pin. You cannot use this smaller one. But you have to be very, very careful. I'm going to make sure you pick it and you take it, use your hand to drag it up a little bit. You make sure you pick everything, then you bend and pull it. So you can just tie it and start using your hand to do all the necessary adjustment. You can do as if you want to ruffle all this place. Do as if you are ruffling all this thing, and make sure you're just using your hand to arrange your pleat. And when you are done, you said you want something portable. That's what she said. Something portable that you can tie. This is it. This is it. So this is it. You can just use your hand. If it is too covered, you can just use your hand to pull it backward a little bit. Pull it backward a little bit. And let me show you the back. This is it. Is this one not okay? It is so very good. Or you can just go and check my page. I have a round gele, but it's not everybody that can tie that round gele. The tutorial is also on my page. You can go and check. So this is it. This is the back. Just tie this for your sister. Since you guys just said you just want to go and pay a bride price at the village. In the village, I mean. So just tell your sister to tie this something simple. She can tie it by herself. Just show her. This is something. The sister will just come out with this, with this little something. It's not big. You said something portable, something that is not hard, something that you or your sister can tie. This is it. Sister will just come out with this, and it is very good. Your sister will just apply little makeup on her face, and this is it. This is not hard now. So this is it. Let me see you guys rate it in the comments. I want to see the rate of this head wrap in the comments. And do not forget to like this video, drop your comments, subscribe for more tutorials like this. Bye.